Sandlarking, you know it, great hobby. I tried to visit the other bottle beach, but the water is already coming up too hard. So we do some sandlarking, and it will be very promising when I start with this sand. And what about this beautiful blue bottle stopper? Right, and that's on its side. That coin as well. No, that's not just a piece of wire. Sandlarking, where the river washes everything clean, and there maybe not something nice to spot. Then I want to say hello. Hi Dineke. I like your contributions very much. You help me find the best things. And you can point out what I missed. I don't mind. Now we have this nameplate. And since I can't read it, maybe it's some printing plate. So, have to look that one up at home. Always nice when you have something to do at home as well. Yeah, that was a teaspoon. Now it's a recycling object. Okay, we go on. Oh, a ladybird ring. Cheap one. Great. Yeah, I was looking at it. It is key, but there's a ring beside it. Oh my. Again, it proves it. Sandlarking is a good and profitable occupation. Is there anything more here? Well, don't I ever have enough? No, of course not, and I like to do this. So, why not? No harm in it. Hope so. The beautiful tiles again. Somebody will pick these up. I know. Not me. And I can tell you these are quite heavy. Sandlarking. No, it's leather. Comes from a valve. No point. Really? These pockets are always great. There may be waiting something special. the tides are certainly changing this. I see much more small pottery and small pieces of debris, housing, and all kinds of small stuff is moving now. So let's focus on little black seals. That's also from a car battery. Take it, clean it at home, take it and recycle it. Ooh, some pin-like thing. Nice, nice, nice. Well, that's a knife. Yeah. That's a cent. Yeah. Small cent. Always nice. Hey, that's nice as well. Slightly crack on the bottom, but can clean that. Take it. There's a spoon. No. Again, such a late fork. Don't want them. Can't use them. Somebody's teeth playing around. Yeah, this is where it all comes from. These giant lumps of rusted iron filled with all kinds of household waste. So I had this beautiful children's ring with a ladybird, and I thought my day was made. Again, very happy with it. Uh-oh. Time is running out this trip, this round. Can you help me spot something nice? Well, do your best. Is there something around here that we really, really want to have? Yeah, all kinds of small stuff, but nothing special as far as I can see. So, bye bye.